Hello, London explorers. Welcome again. We're going to Chiltern Street, one of the most beautiful, elegant streets in London. But just look around me. I mean, the beauty of it, the architecture, stunning. Chiltern Street, you're gonna see a lot of beautiful, stylish people. Every shop here is well designed, very elegant, sophisticated, manicured. Love it.
Bound, I think. My wife is 60 this year. I get my freedom pass.
Authentic, responsible craftsmanship. Oh my god, look at this. This is adorable.
Freunden aus der Uni und der Band kam dazu dann.
Incredible taste. This is very iconic. It would be amazing if more streets in London look like this.
Dad was here.
Well, that could be a little organized, slightly better. Come on, give us a little more bins or clean them more often. my gosh, so elegant. I feel so inspired now. I'm happy. I'm satisfied. Oh gosh. Wonderful. Absolutely, absolutely wonderful street. So if you're interested to find out where is this absolutely amazing street, you can check out my travel guide, a downloadable ebook on my website. I hope you enjoyed this little walk as much as I did, and well, see you next time.